my name is Tega Odiavbara and I'm a product designer at the Bulb Africa. The comparison between UX design and product design isn't new to the scene, especially given the growing spectrum of design roles in the tech industry today. Many have argued that there is hardly any difference between both jobs, while several other professionals and recruiters claim that the role of a product designer in a firm are vastly different from that of a UX designer. If you're a newbie looking to choose between both career paths, or perhaps you're a professional on the verge of switching careers, this video will help you differentiate between product design and UX design and guide you to choose the role that suits your goals and ambitions. Let's dive in. What is UX design? UX design, UXD or UED, is an abbreviation of the term user experience design, which is the process of designing functional, easy to use and interactive products. According to Oxford Journal Interacting with Computers, the goal of UX design in business is to improve customer satisfaction and loyalty through utility, ease of use, and pleasure provided in the interaction with a product. In a nutshell, UX design focuses on determining the experience of a user when they interact with a product. It is the process of designing systems or products that offer valuable experience to users. Products in this case could either be physical or digital. What is product design? Product design has been in the market longer than UX design. It emerged from a similar discipline called industrial design, which is a professional practice of designing physical products that can be used by people worldwide. While industrial design encapsulates physical design, product design connotes any type of design, including the design of digital products like software applications. It is the process of imagining, creating, and iterating products that address and solve specific needs in the market. Product design focuses on identifying the existing need or problem, creating the best possible solution, and launching it to a market to demonstrate demand for the developed solution. Now, what are the similarities between UX design and product design? Obviously, UX design and product design maintain human-centered approaches when designing a product. There is a similar goal to design products that are valuable and easy to use by users. More so, UX design and product design employ the same methods to solve a problem in the market, which is design thinking. Design thinking basically connotes understanding a customer's needs in order to generate creative ideas that can transform into valuable products. Alongside these similarities, it is common to use the same wireframing and user mapping tools for UX design and product design. Tools like Figma, Sketch, and Overflow are used with a few exceptions during the process of product design and UX design. Now, what are the differences between UX design and product design? Earlier, I mentioned that UX design focuses on determining the experience of a user. On the other hand, product design focuses on identifying an existing need, preferring a solution, and launching the solution into the market to demonstrate the demand for it. Apparently, UX design and product design have different priorities. The UX designer is concerned with the ease of use of a product, while the product designer concerns themselves with the usefulness of a product in a current economy. To state the difference between both more clearly, product design aligns the creation of a product to the process, the cost, the brand, and the business revenue. As for the UX designer, the priority is always about how a product can be used effectively and easily. An excellent way to differentiate between product design and UX design is to also compare the responsibilities for each role. What is the role of a product designer? is the role of a product designer different from that of a UX designer? What skills are required to become a product designer? And do these skills differ from that of a UX designer? The answers to these questions take you a step closer to understanding the outwardly similar but different worlds of product design and UX design. What do UX designers do, and how much do they earn? UX designers advocate for the users of a product. They ensure that a product completely fulfills users' needs and that products are constantly improved so users continue to access and use it. From the research to the ideation of a product, the UX designer is always people-driven and human-centered. Generally, the UX designer conducts user research before defining and writing user experience copies. Afterwards, the UX designer tests the design with a user to ensure the ease of use and presents the design solutions to the business. According to PayScale, an average UX designer in Nigeria earns up to 1,280,000 naira in a year. What do product designers do, and how much do they earn? Product designers can be likened to the proverbial jack of all trades. They are responsible for the entire lifespan of a product, from problem solving to user experience to user interface, coding, project management, and product optimization. Product designers provide solutions to existing problems in a market. However, to capture the essence of any product designer in any business is to describe the role of a product designer as multidisciplinary. This means that a product designer isn't just a problem solver. A product designer ensures that a product is valuable, functional, and cost-effective. The product designer ties in the existence of a product to the profit of a business, ensuring that users, company owners, and stakeholders are evenly satisfied. A product designer earns slightly more than a UX designer. The average salary of a product designer in the country is an estimated 1,952,000 naira yearly. It's clearer now, isn't it? Well-defined differences between a product designer and a UX designer. But we are not done. Knowing the different skills that recruiters expect from a product designer and UX designer can also help to put the differences between both professions into perspective. So what skills do you need to be a UX designer? The standard skills requirements for UX designers on recruitment platforms such as Pace, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor include 1. Proficiency with standard and prototyping tools such as Figma, Sketch, and Adobe XD. 2. Coding experience with a strong ability to troubleshoot using CSS, HTML, and similar languages. 3. Strong understanding of UX design process and experience in creating user stories, personas, storyboards, and website mapping. 4. Professional written and interpersonal skills when communicating with customers. 5. Experience in planning and conducting user research and competitor analysis. 6. The ability to work effectively in a collaborative environment to create top-performing interfaces for clients. Generally, companies desire UX designers with demonstrated experience in developing and implementing UX designs solely towards the satisfaction of users, customers, or clients. What skills do you need to be a product designer? The required skills for product designers on several recruitment platforms include 1. Proficiency with industry standard design and prototyping tools such as Adobe XD, Figma, or Sketch. 2. Strong understanding of design thinking application when planning and scoping projects. 3. Demonstrated experience conducting research and partnering with UX designers. 4. Relevant undergraduate degree or formal design qualification. 5. Interpersonal relationship experience, especially partnering with software engineers to manage features, products, and services. 6. Strong visual and verbal communication skills. 7. Proficient wireframing and prototyping skills. On average, companies are always on the lookout to hire product designers with a strong portfolio that exhibits functional designs across desktop and mobile devices. We can finally wrap up the differences between UX design and product design by proceeding to the question: should you be a product designer or a UX designer? To be candid, the answer to this question should be dependent on your career goal, the skills you are willing to learn or improve, and the responsibilities you think you can take on. Both careers are excellent choices and are very much in demand in today's tech-driven world. Hopefully, this video already covers all you need to know about each role. It could also motivate you to take the first step towards acquiring one or all the skills required to become a product designer or a UX designer. If you're looking for a definitive guide on becoming a product designer, click on the link to my previous video on how to become a product designer. There are always more helpful tips lurking around for you. Subscribe.